Guys, we have been absolutely fucking killing it. Like, absolutely killing it. We haven't lost since last month. Oh my goodness, we are on a generational wealth run. All of my trades have been posted in the trade recap channel in my free Discord. 12.6K across 5 accounts, 85% win rate. You can see they're taken on 5 150K express accounts. Dude, it's absolutely been insane. Like, we went undefeated this week, 3-0, like 85% win rate, 150. Look, it's all the proof is here. Like, what else could you ask for? Your guru is not doing this. I'm gonna talk my shit here. Your guru is not doing this. Your guru is not posting consistent results like this. Your guru is not posting payouts. All right, this is real proof, real balances. What else can you ask for, man? What else can you ask for? We really do this shit. And I'm gonna talk my shit because I deserve to talk my shit. I've proven my point. All right. Now, I'm gonna make an announcement really quick before we get into the trade recap. On Friday, today, I did launch my premium Discord. So if you are interested in it, you can go ahead and join up. Over the weekend, I am running a pretty big discount, and I'm not gonna run a discount like this for probably ever. There probably will not be a discount like this ever, and it's already pretty cheap. So if you do want to get access to, 20 plus hours of educational content on my model, if you want group market recaps every day and individual trade reviews and live market commentary, if you think this is for you, go ahead and check it out. I honestly don't really care if you end up buying this or not. This is really just to help you guys and give you guys a more affordable version compared to all these other gurus that you see that are charging OD prices for something of the same value. But yeah, let's now get into the trade recaps really quick. So let's go into this trade really quick. This was from, what day was this? Thursday? Yeah, this was Thursday's trade. Really quick, Thursday's trade. Let me just go back one candle. All right. So as you can see on today, we were clearly bullish as you can see, we have a bullish structure and we're respecting this hourly fair value gap right here. So what are my targets? All right. I have my target right here. My first target is right here. And then my next target is this 15-minute swing high, as we can see right here. So we have London highs. Obviously, that's going to get taken without an entry, but we also have this point right here, right? So let's play the candles really quick and see what we get. Okay, so we took out liquidity in this hourly fair value gap right here, and then now we're pushing up, and then we took out London highs finally, but I didn't get an entry anywhere here because I didn't get any sort of retrace. So I decided to wait for another entry to this next level, and we do chop a little bit, we edge here, and then now I'm looking for a deeper retrace, which we do get all the way here when we create this 15-minute gap. So we retrace into it, and then I get my entry right here. All right, so at the 15-minute right here, we get a very strong rejection, and then I'm liking this since we edged these highs the first time, right? After pushing up, we edged these highs, and then now we're getting a deeper retrace. And then I like this reaction out of the 15-minute gap. So my entry was at around, I think, 146.25, right? This reaction was already good enough. And then my stop was at the 5-minute body lows. And then I am targeting that next level right here. Boom. And then obviously I go break even at these highs right here. And then the trade ends up hitting right here, right? Let's actually go back really quick because I entered this position with one contract. I actually ended up entering it with two. I ended up over risking a little bit because I only need one more winning day to request another $25,000. So that would put me up $75,000 within 3 months. $75,000 withdrawn within 3 fucking months, bro. Absolutely crazy run. So I risked 2 contracts and then I sold one at a loss. That's why my win rate kind of decreased, I guess you could say. But I meant to go in with 1 mini and then my stop loss would have been right here. So it's like a $400 risk. And then my take profit is all the way over here. Actually, it was a little bit lower because it was at the 5-minute bodies. Okay, I guess. I don't know what the hell that was. Let's try this again. Right here. And then right here. Boom. I'm in the trade. Go break even. And then TP ends up getting hit after this edge. So I'm not going to lie. Price was kind of choppy right here. Like, delivery was pretty bad this day. Like on the higher time frame, it was good, right? Like, if you look at the 5-minute, 5-minute was good. This is really nice, clear structure. But on the 1-minute, man, we were just stalling. We were just stalling to take out the targets. So that was the first trade for the week. Let's now go to the next trade really quick. If I can remove all of these lines. All right. Let's now go to the next trade, which was on Tuesday. Where was Tuesday? Where was Tuesday? Where was Tuesday? What the hell is this? All right. Tuesday is right here. Select bar replay. All right. Let's go back to here. So Tuesday was CPI. So we did have a SMT here at data highs. So ES took out data highs at this 8:30 candle, which was CPI candle. And basically on the 5-minute, right, or on the 1-minute, we were displacing pretty heavily during market open. And our target was pretty close, so there was no point for us to go on the 5-minute time frame to get a 5-minute retrace since we were already displacing pretty heavily. Okay. My first target was data lows, and then my next target was London lows, which also lined up with this hourly fair value gap right here. So that was a very good draw on liquidity. And basically, my entry, I went on the 2-minute. I saw there was a little 2-minute gap right here that we tapped into, and then we rejected. And then I dropped down to the 30-second on Top Step X to get an IFVG entry within this retrace up, but it was pretty clean. We retraced and then we rejected immediately. I go break even at this low right here like usual, and then boom, TP hits within like 2 candles. So those were my 2 actual setups for this week. So yeah, I mean, we went undefeated for the week, undefeated for the month actually, because we haven't lost since like June 5th or something like that. That was like the last time I posted my loss on this channel. So yeah, pretty crazy. I'm gonna try and get a winning day on either on Sunday or on Monday so I can request it. Best believe I'm showing that shit all over social media, cause fuck it, bro. Like, why not, bro? I make money trading. These people don't make money trading. I make money trading, bro. So don't fall for all this bullshit that you see gurus be posting on social media, bro. Like, if they can't show a payout, if they can't show proof, they are just bullshitting you. They are just robbing you, straight robbing you. So stay safe out there, you guys, and have a great weekend.